How DeepSeek AI is disrupting the industry and shaking Nvidia. The 600B Shockwave. Welcome to Vantage, Aditya, where we explore the biggest disruptions in AI, business, and technology. Today, we're diving into the biggest shock to the AI world, DeepSeek AI, a new player that has sent Nvidia's market value crashing by nearly $600 billion and is challenging the dominance of giants like OpenAI. The AI revolution just got cheaper. Right now, training advanced AI models is insanely expensive. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic spend over $100 million just on computing costs, requiring thousands of high-end GPUs, each costing around $40,000. DeepSeek changed the game by doing what seemed impossible, developing AI models that rival GPT-4 for just $5 million. How? They re-engineered the entire approach. Instead of using high-precision calculations that require massive memory, they optimized computations, like using 8-bit precision instead of 32-bit. This cut memory use by 75%. They introduced a multi-token system, allowing AI to process phrases instead of single words, doubling the speed while maintaining 90% accuracy. Most importantly, they built an expert system. Instead of keeping all 1.8 trillion parameters active at all times, they use a selective activation model, keeping only 37 billion active at a time. The shocking impact on the market. The result? Training costs dropped from $100 million to $5 million. GPU requirements fell from 100,000 to just 2,000. API costs slashed by 95%. AI can now run on consumer gaming GPUs instead of expensive data center hardware. For companies relying on Nvidia's expensive GPUs, this is a nightmare scenario. Their entire business model relies on selling high-cost AI chips with massive profit margins. If companies can suddenly train and run AI on much cheaper hardware, Nvidia's dominance is at risk. This panic is already showing in the stock market. Nvidia's market cap dropped by nearly $600 billion, and AI-related stocks across the board have felt the impact. What this means for the future. DeepSeek's breakthrough isn't just a technological leap, it's a power shift. AI development is becoming more accessible to smaller companies. Big tech companies can no longer rely on expensive infrastructure as a moat. The cost of AI models could drop drastically, leading to mass adoption. Open-source AI is proving to be a game-changer, forcing traditional AI companies to rethink their strategies. The biggest question is, how fast will this disrupt the industry? Big players like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta won't stand still. They are likely already implementing these cost-cutting innovations. But the genie is out of the bottle. The days of just throwing more GPUs at the problem are over. This could be an inflection point for AI, just like how cloud computing replaced traditional servers or how PCs made mainframes obsolete. AI is now cheaper, faster, and more accessible than ever before. What do you think? Will DeepSeek completely disrupt AI as we know it? Or will Nvidia and the AI giants fight back? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of AI trends, leadership insights, and disruptive innovations, hit subscribe to Vantage Aditya. Let's decode the future together.